When it comes to your home's value, make no mistake, it can be destroyed. Let's take a look at 7 different ways. Number 1, quirky paint colors or funky layouts. A bad idea. Number 2, neglecting curb appeal, unkempt landscaping, and grimy exteriors. That's a big no-no. First impressions matter, folks. Regular maintenance is key. Number 3, skipping regular maintenance. Big mistake. Number 4, letting your home become a fixer-upper. Potential buyers want to see a well-kept home. Number 5, making highly personal design choices without consulting a pro. Number 6, ignoring the market appeal. Balance personal style with what buyers want. Number 7, not keeping up with neighborhood standards. Keep your home's value soaring, not sinking. Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.